guys, before this video starts, I just want to say that this video is only going to be covering the removal of the engine in this car. I did actually take out the engine, keep the gearbox and put a different engine onto the gearbox, but it turned out that the gearbox needed a lot of work, more work than I was anticipating, and I don't know how to rebuild gearboxes, I'm not going to deny it. So in the end, a friend who knows about boxes had to come and help me rebuild it. He doesn't like being on camera, and there was just too much work to do to try and film it and actually get the work done on the time scale I had. So basically, I've just cut this down to just the removal of the engine, and so ignore the other hints in the video that you're going to see me doing the rest of the job, because unfortunately that just wasn't really possible. So yeah, anyway, enjoy the video. Hello there guys, so new video. Today we're actually working on a subscribers mini. I'm not sure if I'll turn this into several episodes. I might do, or I might just make it one big episode, not decided. But yeah, this is a subscribers mini, and it is in for engine replacement. So this engine seized up, and he's bought a new one for it. So we've got to swap the gearbox onto that, and yeah, take this out, swap the gearbox, put it back in basically. And I think he said there's some wiring issues as well, which I will have a look at. So yeah, here it is. It's an 87 Mayfair in British Racing Green, was once purple. So yeah, there we go. So I'm just waiting on an engine hoist actually. I've bought one and it'll be delivered tomorrow, but we've got a couple of hours left this evening. We'll start stripping bits off this, ready to pull the engine out. So we'll take the alternator off, radiator out. I've already actually drained the oil and obviously taken the bonnet and the grill off. And I thought, oh, I need to record this. So yeah, here we are. So yeah, we'll crack on with it, shall we? Right then guys, that's all we're getting done for today. I know it was really short, but I've got to go out now. It's 7 o'clock, I want to go home. So yeah, we've taken the radiator out anyway, and the top hose, which was a bit of a faff to get it around the fan, because it's a metal one, it doesn't bend. I wasn't bothered about letting the water out, so it was literally just water, no coolant whatsoever, so I wasn't asked about rolling it outside to let all that out. So yeah, that's where we're at today. So we'll be back tomorrow, strip some more of this out, and yeah, we'll carry on with it. I also need to contact the owner and find out exactly what he wants me to do regarding if there's anything special with that head, if he wants that head on that block, if he's keeping that head on there, if he wants head gasket doing, whatever. Obviously, if it was my car, I would, but it's up to him what he wants. So yeah, anyway, I need to get this out first and start stripping it down. So that's where we're at for today. Cheers for watching guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now. Actually, what am I on about? No, not next video. I'm going to get at least all the strip down done in one video. Yeah, so I'll be back in just a second. We'll try this again actually. So yeah, catch you in just a second guys. Okay, let's see if that went as well in editing as it did last time I tried that. Yeah, okay, so next day, so what have we got to do? Remove the alternator, remove the dizzy, disconnect the wires from the coil, because they're all on ring terminals, and just bolt it on, which is a little infuriating, because they should just be on spade connectors, but whatever. So yeah, do that, and disconnect all the wires from the starter motor. The battery's already out, and I've put it on the charger. I don't know if I said alternator, we'll take that off. Might be as easy to take the oil filter housing off now as well, as it's going to have to come off anyway to go on the new engine. So yeah, may as well take it off now, give us a bit more room at the front of the engine. Take the starter off, as the solenoid will be the thing that sticks furthest forward at that point. Carb off, manifold off. Then there's not much else left to do. I'll unbolt all the engine steadies. fuel lines, drive shafts. Yeah, okay, maybe there's more to do than I was thinking initially. But yeah, let's crack on with it now, shall we? Let's see what we can get done. Okay, so Yodel have just brought me a present. It's an engine hoist. Now, how do we build this thing? Okay then guys, so this ended up being a bit of a mission to build because the instructions were terrible, didn't tell you which size bolt to go where, so yeah, it's built, it's awesome, folds up fairly small, so that's good. So yeah, as we were, let's carry on stripping this down. We've got the carb off, coil off, dizzy out, starter motor off, alternator off, oil filter housing out, fan off, so yeah, that's cool. Going to get the roll pins out, get the drive shafts out of the port joints as well, and the bottom engine steady. It's got an engine steady right down here. I don't know if it'll be able to see. It's got one there, so we'll take that off too. And we need to reroute this battery cable at some point too. It's been cable tied to the bottom of the subframe. I had to move it before I could even put it on the stands. Ridiculous. So yeah, not far off being able to pull this out now and play with new toy. And I don't know if I said, I got some chain. Need to find my other spare rocker cover nut. Got a couple of big beefy washers so the nut doesn't slip through the chain. So yeah, all ready to roll. Stick a new battery in the GoPro and we'll carry on. Okay, so just been under the car, knocked out this lovely little thing. If you know, you know. Gear linkage roll pin. Got that out, got the bolt out holding the other rod in. So the selector is just chilling down there. I cut off the cable tie on the inner CV boot, and the other side actually had a metal clip on it which I've managed to just bend and slide off. We'll just replace that with the cable tie. Sorry. So yeah, now what we're going to do, I'll tell you before I actually go in here and do it on camera, because my tripod's broken, I can't have it any lower than that. So we'll undo the nut on the top and the bottom ball joint, and then use a ball joint splitter, crack those loose, and then that'll allow us to just pull the whole hub out and have these drive shafts just come out of the pot joints, and then yeah, they'll be free from the engine. So I think that's pretty much one of the last few things we've got left to do before we can then just pull the engine out. So that's where we're at. Let's carry on. Okay then guys, so this is an engine held in purely by gravity at this point. It's just chilling, doing its own thing. So yeah, I'm just going to tidy up all my tools. I need to find the other rocker cover nut thing, or I will find an alternative in my selection over there. Because I don't want to use his fancy T-bars for that purpose. So yeah, there we go. Under this rocker cover, there is a 12G295 head. I don't know if you can see that. So yeah, that's nice. And this little upgrade on what is probably otherwise a standard 998 engine. So yeah, we'll move this thing out the way anyway. And what am I doing? I'll put it over here with all the other bits. Yep, tidy up all this stuff out of the way, and we can unfold that and put it to the test. So yeah, just give us a minute and we'll get on with that. Okay, so the engine is out. There it is. Yeah, so that's it for today. I am disappearing off now. Monthly meet tonight at the local club. So yeah, that can stay there. And Yorkshire Show tomorrow. If you haven't heard of that, Google it if you want, or don't, whatever. And hopefully Thursday I'll be back. Today's Tuesday. Thursday I'll be back, and we'll start stripping this thing down. So yeah, awesome. Got plenty done today. There we go. Alright, I have 10 or 15 minutes to get packed up and gone, so yeah, I best crack on with that. So I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.